Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share a mouth-watering recipe that's perfect for snack time, lunchboxes, or a quick bite. This delightful dish combines the goodness of chicken, vegetables, and eggs, making it a treat for kids and adults alike. Let's get cooking. Transform leftover bread into breadcrumbs, a clever way to reduce waste. You can buy from a store. Heat some all in a pan. Add 2 to 3 crushed garlic cloves and saute until fragrant. Add boiled chicken pieces and stir-fry until they're nicely coated with the garlic goodness. Toss in your favorite vegetables. I'm using grated carrots, cabbage, and capsicum. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add boiled and grated potatoes to the mix. Add soy sauce, chili garlic sauce, black pepper, red chili flakes, and salt and mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. The mixture is ready. Let the mixture cool and chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to set. Shape them into your desired forms. Let them cool in refrigerator. Whisk together egg whites, corn flour, red chili flakes, and a pinch of salt. Dip each kebab into this egg mixture, then coat with breadcrumbs. Fry the kebabs in hot oil until golden brown, either shallow frying or deep frying on medium heat. The best part, you can store them in the fridge for up to 2 weeks and enjoy a crispy snack anytime. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do.